Hello engineers, welcome to Vitesse Communication. If you haven't subscribed, try and do that. In today's video, I will be showing you how to remove a screen successfully with this simple trick. So let's start it. First, we'll use your paste to soften the lead of the screen. After that, you use a soldering iron. The soldering iron is hot. You need to allow it to be hot. Then you test it with lead, whether it is really burning, to show that it is hot. Yeah, I'm using the lead. If the lead melts well, it shows that the soldering iron is hot. So it shows that the soldering iron is hot. So let's do it. Just do with this simple trick, you will remove a screen successful. So let's go. Good. So after fixing the lead, yeah, let me remove that screen. Just be touching it small, it will be removing it. Simple and easy, very simple step. So if you're adopting this method, try and be doing it severally. If you're not doing this method, try and learn from this one. Very simple. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, I want to add another lead again. Good, that is it. So thank you guys for staying with me to the end of the video. Subscribe, follow me on TikTok, subscribe to Vitesse Communication, like my Facebook page, Vitesse Communication. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.